As we continue looking at painful experiences that lead to traumas, low self-esteem, or poor self-image, today we are going to talk about lack of parental love, parental care, which may lead to emotional neglect. In some cases, parents may be physically present, but emotionally absent. In other cases, children may experience this kind of trauma where it happens that the parents die when the child is still small, or whereby parents may be working outside the country and the child is being brought up by relatives. It doesn't mean that all relatives are bad, but in most cases, the children who remain with the relatives, they end up experiencing this kind of trauma. They feel neglected by their parents, and they grow up having an emptiness in their life, and that is lack of parental love or care. In other cases, parents take their children to boarding schools when they are still young. Mtoto ako PP1 na ushampeleka boarding school. Full term tuition, mtoto ako na mwalimu. You never bother to know how the child is faring on. Mtoto akikuja nyumbani, you are very busy with work. You don't have time for your child. Na ndio maana mara mingi wanaingia kwenye drug abuses and the parents are not aware. When things become worse is when now they start regretting why they did this to the children. Wakati unafanya kazi ng'ambo, mtoto wako anakaa na relatives, you don't know what is happening to that child. In some cases, as I have said before, which involve death, grief can also be another effect that may lead to traumas in these children. Mtoto atakuwa na hiyo huzuni ya kupoteza wazazi akiwa mdogo. Na in many cases, wakati wanabaki bila wazazi, wanachukuliwa na relatives. Relatives wanawatumia kama workers, as slaves. Mpaka mtoto anatoroka anaingia kwenye streets. There are some parents or some relatives who are good. Congratulations and may God bless you. But kwa wazazi, wenye bado mko hai, mnapeleka watoto boarding wakiwa PP1, ama mnafanya kazi ng'ambo na mjua watoto wenu wanaendelea aje. Just know you are planting a wound in that child. Na huyo mtoto atakapokuwa mkubwa, he or she may end up hating you. Kwa sababu ataona hukumshughulikia akiwa mdogo. You never loved him or her. And in some cases, such children end up wanaingia katika maisha ya upweke, loneliness, isolation. Mtoto anataka kukaa peke yake, hataki mahali kuna wingi, because akona hiyo feeling ya kuwa neglected, ama rejected, ama abandoned by the parents. And this also may cause some consequences like lasting attachment wounds. When I talk about lasting attachment wounds, I'm talking about things like fear of abandonment, avoidant, low self-worth. Also is another case whereby ni kama vile feelings of brokenness ama unloved. Mtoto anajisikia yuko loved. Relationship struggles may occur, such as sabotaging relationship, difficult trusting in others. Mtoto hatakuwa na mtu wa kuamini. Akiwa mkubwa, atakuwa anaona tu kila mtu ni betrayal. even when the person is married, hataweza kutrust the other partner. Alafu the child also may end up developing an attitude of fighting for relationship, ama anaona all the time, anakuwa na hiyo feeling ya maybe nikifanya kitu nitaachwa. Yaani mtoto ni kama ana search somewhere to cling, na ako na hiyo fear ya kuachwa na huyo mtu. Ana feel tu it will happen the same that happened when the child was growing up in the absence of the parents. So please, my dear parents, wenye mumeacha watoto na relatives, some relatives even may end up abusing the children. Sometimes I prefer to speak the truth than to hide it. You may provide everything for your children. You may send money for them to be catered for. You may buy for them all the precious gifts, but your presence is more important than all these gifts. When you are absent, when you are far from your children, yes, they appreciate the gifts, they are happy, but do you normally think about that parental love? Have you ever carried your child on your hands? Have you ever walked holding your child? If all these things have lacked, then there is something missing in that child. If you have never taken time to sit down, talk to your child, play some games with your child, something is really missing in this child. And as a mature person, all this will come along.